Good people, I'm back again with another video, with another review, with another unboxing, with another video. Just before we get into that, can I request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. I really need the likes up, the comments up, shares up, subscribes up ASAP. We need to build this channel. Can't do it without your help. All the likes, comments, all that stuff, it really helps the video out. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. So this video, there was a time where I was buying a lot of sneakers, clothing, whatever, and this was before I became active on my YouTube channel again. So I'd say 3 to 4 years ago. I had an obsession with Balenciagas, Giuseppe's, etc. Once that kind of died down and, I was like, they're too uncomfortable, I had like an obsession with runners. So I loved runners. I still do love runners, I have to say. One of the best types of sneaker trainer there is, runners. I love runners. I've got so many different pairs of runners. And I always am looking for a nice pair of runners, to add on. And they're slightly chunky, slightly not chunky, but they look good with jeans, all that good stuff. So this pair I got, this is like, I think, one of the most expensive trainers or sneakers that's featured on my channel. Definitely up there with expensive. Retail on these is going super high now. Super high, I'd say like £800, £790. That's a lot of money for a sneaker or a trainer. So definitely one of the most expensive, and it's actually a first for this brand to feature on my channel. Prada. So this is like a purpley box. I don't know why the camera's not picking it out too purpley, but it is purpley. Straight off the bat you can tell it's high quality stuff. This is a serious box. As with a lot of designer places, they have a nice box, and I love that the lid comes off like that. It's a serious box. It's literally plain as with most designers, and they just have the name on the top and then like a label. So this is Prada. It's all in another language, so I don't know. Color Nero, group name Napa Sport B, size 9. It's a UK 9, I believe. Very bad picture of it, and Prada, so not much information. And as a lot of them do, a lot of high-end sneakers or trainers, it's just in another language, and it's whatever. Usually there'll be a dust bag. However, I was told, which is very strange because I asked specifically, is there a dust bag? And the person said, oh no, the newer ones are not coming with dust bags. And I'm thinking, what? Like, what is that about? What do you mean no dust bag? But it is what it is. That wasn't going to stop me from buying the trainer. They didn't give me a discount because they won't do that. Let's get into this. Even the paper, quality paper. I think I should turn it around like that. Yes. So we've got a pair of Prada Runners. This is a full leather upper, basically triple black. We start at the bottom. That's that Prada sole. A lot of times this is red. On this pair it's not. And then it's got a little sticker there, but that's just what the Prada sole looks like on all the runners. It's like that mainly. Midsole, black midsole. It's kind of got like layers to it. So if I just turn it this way, you can see that it's it goes in. It's one midsole, but it's got a layered look. In the heel, it's got a stamped in Prada, and then the rest of the midsole. The upper is a buttery soft. I call it sofa leather. This is sofa stuff, man. Soft leather. Then it's got a bit of stitching, soft leather again. It's It's actually metal Prada logo. Then it's got that buttery leather all around the toe box. So the toe box is all, it's all one material. Usually with other trainers, it's different materials layered on top. This is just separated by literally a stitch. It's all one material basically. It's just, it looks like it's not, but it's all just stitched. Same with here. So it's literally one layer of trainer. And what's funny is, if you can imagine this without the stitch, they'll probably look very bad. And then coming on to the laces, decent laces, not the best, not the worst. And then in the white, Prada Milano. And then on the inside, 2EG366, I don't know what that means, and then 9 for the size, made in Vietnam. And then the inner is actually like a type of mesh, so it's got all mesh on the inside, mesh all around. And then the inner sole, which is actually removable, is like one of those leather ones, and it's got silver Prada kind of embossed in there. It is breathable, so it's got holes. The camera can pick that up. And then it's all black on the inside. Very clean pair. Worth the price. I would never pay that retail price, if I'm honest. That's just very crazy priced, especially for, you know, just some trainers. Alternative to Louis Vuitton runners, yes, definitely. However, I don't know which ones I'll choose. I don't have a pair of Louis Vuitton ones. I'm not really planning on buying a pair because they're just so expensive. But these are really nice. You know, just a little bits of white Prada. Very clean, very high end. I'd say these are more like classy runners. You know, you could still probably wear these to a restaurant, whatever. They'll look nice with a black outfit, grey jeans or something. You might get away with wearing these with a shirt, to be honest. Depending if you know fashion, if you know how to style it out. But very good. Like, you can tell this is a quality leather. I hope it is a quality leather. It feels quality. Definitely feels real. Hope it's not a catfish and just fake. I am very scared about getting this like messed up, because as you can see, like, you know, lines and stuff. So I want to just keep these for special occasions. Definitely not a sneaker that I'll be wearing on a day-to-day. A few years ago, yes. Now I'm more like careful. I'll wear just some Air Maxes on a day-to-day, and then these when I'm going out or something. As opposed to before, it would just be like high ends every day, which, looking back on it, is quite stupid. As these, you know, it's funny how you have to pay such a price tag, but you have to still keep good care of them. Like, you shouldn't really day-to-day them, which is stupid. So the Nikes you can day-to-day, they're cheaper. These are more expensive, and it just doesn't make sense. But it's the absurd way the world works. But these, I'm going to have to say 9.5 out of 10 for these, man. That's how much I like them. They're so good. I think I got some good outfits planned. Even casual ones, not so casual ones, slightly dressed up ones. I think this will work well. Definitely grey jeans or black jeans vibe. I hate wearing black trainers with blue jeans, like light blue or even like medium blue. So definitely not with blue jeans, but grey and blacks 100%. You know, these can be worn with a puffer, with a normal jacket, with many types of outfits, just depending on your own personal style. I style it different. I might start even doing like my own personal style videos soon when I get a bit more time. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Tell me if you like them, tell me if you love them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them. As always, an on-foot video to follow. And as always, take care, people.